Now, let's do one question based on compound interest. Abir lends 8,000 Indian rupees for 3 years at 5% simple interest. If she charged at compound interest on the same amount for the same period at the same rate, how much more would she have got? Let's see the options. 53 Indian rupees, 244 Indian rupees, 61 Indian rupees, 173 Indian rupees. So, look at the question. There is a principal P equal to 8,000 Indian rupees. Time T is given as 3 years and rate R equal to 5%. That is, P, R and T are given. So, you can calculate simple interest as SI equal to PRT divided by 100. Simply substitute the values and get the answer. Simple interest equal to 8,000 into 5 into 3 divided by 100 equal to 1,200 Indian rupees. Then what is the amount? Amount equal to principal plus simple interest, that is 8,000 plus 1,200, which is equal to 9,200 Indian rupees. One part of the question is over. Now the next part of the question deals with compound interest. To calculate compound interest, the basic equation is Ci equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to T, where P, R and T are principal, rate and time respectively, as in the case of simple interest, and Ci is the compound interest. To find out the compound interest on the same P, R and T, substitute their values in the above equation and get the answer. That is, compound interest equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 the whole raised to 3. So you get the compound interest as 9,261 Indian rupees. Now, what was the question? How much more would Abir get if she charges at compound interest rather than at simple interest? Here, the point to be noted is amount obtained after 3 years on charging compound interest is equal to the compound interest at the end of 3 years. So, the answer to the question is obtained as the difference between compound interest at the end of 3 years, that is 9,261 Indian rupees, and the amount obtained after 3 years on charging simple interest, that is 9,200 Indian rupees. So the final answer is 9,261 minus 9,200, which is equal to 61 Indian rupees. That is option C.